Hi everybody, this video is inspired by Gigi Gorgeous. She is a social media maven, an author, a model, an actress. The list keeps going. I live for Gigi. She's so cunty. I had to go ahead and add her onto this list. The look is inspired, well the hair I should say is inspired by this. As soon as I saw this, I screenshotted it and I was like, need. And the mug is inspired by this here, this photo shoot. She's gonna kill me, but I have this photo here that shows her eyeshadow. I went ahead and I did that today. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means more to me than I can ever put into words. Gigi, if you watch this, thank you so much for being a trans icon. Have a great day and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, starting out with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, and I'm gonna go ahead and define my eyebrows with that. I'll be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Orgy palette today. I will be using the colors I'm Shy, Knee Pads, Safe Sex, and Invitation Only. I will start with Louise Base on the eyes, and I will just be evening out my skin tone with that and giving something for the shadow to adhere to. Then I will be doing, sorry if you could hear, by the way, like the noises of outside. I am doing this in my pool, so I'm using I'm Shy on the inner corner, and then I'll be using Knee Pads on the crease and kind of blending onto the lid, and Safe Sex in the crease and blending onto the lid even further out, and then Invitation Only is going to be on the very outer corner of the eye. Something super soft and kind of timeless, like you could wear this anytime and I think it would always look good. Then I took Sugarpill Tako eyeshadow and just further intensified the bright white on the inner corner. But taking Knee Pads and Safe Sex just to kind of blend over the lid, because the lid has a blend as opposed to a definitive color, you know what I mean? So the brown is actually blending into the beige white color. And that is the Invitation Only color, and I'm just packing that in the outer corner to give definition. Then for liner, I used the e.l.f. H2O Eyeliner Pen, which I don't mind, but you have to make sure you shake it before you use it. And for lashes, I used a lash curler, a lash curler, and then applied some of the Benefit They're Real Magnetic Mascara, and then just some lashes. These lashes are from Winners. All they say is Naya on them, N-A-Y-A. So I truly cannot let you know. I apologize if you are interested in them. Then I went ahead and I used the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer all over my face, and that's just to give a nice slip to the skin for the foundation and concealer, and it's also to fill in any pores, give a more flawless look. Then I used the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. And then I used the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation. And for the foundation, what I do is I take a foundation brush and apply that all over my face. Then I go back in with a sponge and kind of get rid of any of the foundation streaks or anything like that for that. But I did end up doing contour bronzer first before I blended that out, but that's neither here nor there. There's not really any, like, you could do it any way you want, really. So the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer in the color Light. I really like this. So I just apply that along the perimeter of my face with no definitive lines or contouring. I prefer something more blown out and soft. Then I used the Made by Mitchell A Shy Boy Blursh. Love these. Love the liquid blushes by Made by Mitchell. It still does have the worst name of any product for me. I hate saying it. But they're really good. So then I used the One Size Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation. And I used that to set all over my face, give some additional coverage. And then I used the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder all over, just to set everything and make sure that it is not tacky. I hate tacky face. So I need everything to be totally dry. For powder bronzer, I use the Marc Jacobs Tan-tastic Omega Bronze. I think that this is discontinued, and you can buy pretty much the same thing in the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It like smells the same, it works the same, it's great. For powder blush, I used the Lottie London Haze Ombre blush, and I love that one. And I just applied that along the outer portion of my cheek. For under my eyes, I did use the Made by Mitchell in the Nude All Smudge No Budge eyeliner. I guess I didn't do that yet. And then I used the, okay, yes I did, never mind. And then I just went into Safe Sex, I believe it was, to define the lower lash line and get rid of that kind of bleed out of the nude eyeliner. And then I just used a bit more of the, actually I used the MAC Studio Fix powder in the white color, Shivering White. And that is to brighten up the inner portion of the face. For lips, I use the Sheglam 524 lip liner. Honestly, there is no name on it. It just says 524, so I'm assuming that's what it's called. The Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick and the Fenty Beauty Baby Brut Gloss Bomb. For highlighter, I used the Colourpop Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek highlighter. And that is mostly the face, except I did use the Creme Shop and Hello Kitty Makeup Perfecting Mist. And I use a fan after to dry that down. Now, for hair, I don't have a wig that is exactly the length that Gigi has in this. My wig does not come up and over and give curl in the front like Gigi's did. So I did the kind of French twist chignon in the back, and my length did not go up over the head, so I just left it at that. But I did curl some front pieces here. This is just with a Marcel, I believe it's like 1 2/5 iron or 1-inch iron. I can't remember honestly. But yeah, just give some nice curl. And then for the French twist, what we learned in school was we push it all over to one side, pin it, and then you pull it back over onto those pins to give that French twist look. And then you pin the hair like that. It's a little harder to do it on yourself, and it's really hard for me to show on camera, so I'm just explaining it to you and hoping that you understand what I mean. Messy bun. Just do a messy bun if you can't do it, okay? Do whatever you want. Curling those pieces there, and then just taking them back. When you're doing an updo, I always like to leave the front portion out of your hair, because that is your kind of correction. If you need to correct, you pull that back over top of it, or you can pin it over top. That's what we learned in school. You do the back, and then you use the front pieces to perfect it. So giving that some nice curl, and then I do definitely wish maybe one day I will have a wig like Gigi's hair there, and it will be able to have that curly bit in the front, but I did not have it today, and you know, we work with what we have. I'm still happy with how it turned out, and I do love this look. This is just a touch different than what she had. And I don't have a mirror right in front of me, so I can hardly see. But yeah, that is all good to go. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.